In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay Fidelity Bill. Fidelity Bill Pay is a convenient way to handle your monthly expenses from one place. If you have an eligible cash management or brokerage account, you can use it to pay utilities, credit cards, loans, rent, and other bills. Payments are sent electronically when possible, or by mailed check when an electronic option isn't available, so you don't have to manage separate payment portals. Start by signing in to your Fidelity account. From the main menu, go to Accounts and Trade. There, choose Bill Pay or Transfers and Payments. If you haven't used Bill Pay before, you'll be prompted to enroll. Enrollment is quick and gets your account ready to send payments securely. Make sure your account information is up to date since Bill Pay uses it to route funds correctly. Once you're enrolled, add your first payee. You'll enter the company name, your account number with that company, and the billing address. These details should match what's on your latest statement from the biller to ensure your payment posts to the right account. If the company is already in Fidelity's Payee network, the system may help autofill some information. Take a moment to verify everything is accurate before continuing. Next, enter the payment amount and choose a delivery date. The delivery date is when the biller should receive your payment, not necessarily the day Fidelity sends it. Electronic payments typically arrive faster, while mailed checks require mailing time. Aim to pick a delivery date that's before your bill's due date to avoid late fees. If you prefer predictability, you can schedule a one-time payment for a specific bill or set up recurring automatic payments for regular expenses like rent or utilities, so they're handled on the same schedule every month. Before you finalize, review all details carefully: payee name, account number, amount, and delivery date. Confirm that your funding account is the one you intend to use and that you'll have sufficient funds available. When everything looks right, submit the payment. BillPay will process it and, depending on the payee, deliver it electronically or by check. If you want to learn more about features and eligibility, visit the official overview at www.fidelity.com. Spend, save, BillPay overview. And if you run into any questions or need assistance, Fidelity's support team can help at www.fidelity.com/customer service/contact us. With these steps, you'll be able to confidently set up and send payments through Fidelity Bill Pay and keep your bills organized in one place.